In this video, we will be speaking about how you can earn money whilst advertising merchandise or offerings that you love. Yes, you heard that properly. It's feasible to make money through affiliate marketing. Imagine having a job where every time a person uses a product or service you advise, you get paid. Unbelievable at first glance, right? But it is not. Affiliate marketing is a high-quality way to earn passive income, and in this video, we will show off to you how it is done. Affiliate advertising and marketing is a method for you to make money by promoting someone else's product or service. All you have to do is sign up for an affiliate program, get an extraordinary affiliate link, and then promote that link to your audience. When everybody clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to have your own product or service to advertise. Instead, you can promote merchandise that you love and expect your goal market will enjoy. For example, if you are a beauty blogger, you can promote makeup or skincare merchandise that you use and love. But how do you get started with affiliate marketing? Here are the steps to follow. Step 1. Choose a location of pastime. It's indispensable to choose a region of activity that you are passionate about and that has a massive audience. This needs to be something from attractiveness and fashion to health and wellness. Choosing the appropriate region of the hobby is one of the most critical steps in affiliate marketing. Your region of activity is the organization in which you will be merchandising or merchandise. It's integral to select a location of pastime that you are passionate about and that has a huge audience. When determining a niche, suppose about your interests, skills, and experience. What things are you trained about? What are your pursuits and passions? What troubles can you unravel for your audience? These are all vital questions to assume about when identifying a niche. Once you have diagnosed your niche, do some lookup to make high quality. There might also be a market for it. Is there a demand for the merchandise or choices you will be promoting? Are there extraordinary affiliate entrepreneurs in this niche? How lousy a lot of opposition is there? It's also important to consider the size of your specialty. While a smaller area of activity could potentially have considerably fewer competitors, it might also have a smaller audience. On the other side, a large recreation area may also face increased competition yet also draw a sizable crowd. Ultimately, the key to identifying the acceptable place of activity is to hit upon the balance between your interests, the dimension of the audience, and the diploma of competition. By deciding on a place of hobby that you are passionate about and that has a huge audience, you will be more in all probability to be effective in affiliate marketing. Step 2. Find affiliate functions. So, conduct your research and pick the ones that are great suits for your niche. Some well-known affiliate functions include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Research the rate prices. Commission fees can vary widely between affiliate programs, so it is indispensable to consider them. Look for applications that grant an aggressive charge for the merchandise or choices you will be promoting. Check the product or career's incredible. It's integral to promote merchandise or choices that are excellent and that you believe in. Before you promote a product, do some search to make it high quality. It is something your goal market will hit upon valuable. Check the affiliate phrases and conditions. Before signing up for an affiliate program, be sure to learn about the phrases and stipulations carefully. Make positive apprehend the price structure, cost schedule, and any exceptional requirements. Step 3. Sign up for the utility. Once you have found an affiliate software that you opt to join, you may additionally favor signing up for it. This generally entails filling out a utility and supplying some easy records about yourself and your website. Once you are on the sign-up page, you might also favor filling out an application. This will commonly consist of easy records about yourself and your websites, such as your name, address, and website URL. After you have submitted your application, you may also desire to wait for the affiliate software to approve your application. This can take from a few days to a few weeks, relying on the program. Once your software program has been approved, you will be given Get Proper Entry to your affiliate dashboard. This is the vicinity you will detect your distinctive affiliate links, which you can use to promote the program's merchandise or services. When signing up for an affiliate program, it is indispensable to take a look at the phrases and stipulations carefully. This will aid you to apprehend the rate structure, cost schedule, and any distinctive requirements. It's moreover fundamental to make sure that the software program is dependable and trustworthy, so do your search before signing up. Step 4. Get your specific affiliate link. After you have been licensed for the program, you can also get maintenance of a specific affiliate link. This hyperlink is what you will use to promote the product or service. Step 5. Build your goal market. Once you have chosen your region of activity and decided on affiliate applications to promote, the subsequent step is to assemble a goal market that is interesting with the aid of the merchandise or choices you can also be promoting. Without an audience, you might also now not have each man or woman to promote your affiliate links to, in which capability you may also no longer be successful to earn any commissions. There are many special techniques to setting up a goal target market for your affiliate advertising and marketing, including: create a website or blog. A website or web publication is a splendid way to set up yourself as an authority in your region of hobby and assemble an audience. You can use your net website or blog to create content material. Fabricate applies to your region of hobby and promotes your affiliate links. Use social media. Social media structures like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can be a great way to assemble a goal market for your affiliate advertising and marketing. You can use these structures to share content, engage with your followers, and promote your affiliate links. Build an email checklist. Building an email checklist is a fantastic way to assemble a goal target audience and promote your affiliate links. You can furnish a free useful resource like a book or a webinar in exchange for people's email addresses, and then use email advertising and marketing to promote your affiliate links. Use paid advertising and marketing. Paid marketing and advertising can be a top-notch way to assemble a goal target audience quickly. You can use structures like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to aim at people who are interested in means of your region of pastime and promote your affiliate links. When establishing your audience, it is necessary to focal factor on imparting costs to your followers. Create content material it is relevant and really helpful to your audience, and be sure to interact with them daily. By developing a sturdy relationship with your audience, you will be greater in all possibilities to be profitable in affiliate marketing. Also, it's essential that you are transparent about your affiliate links. Make sure the people who will use your affiliate links to make purchases are aware that you're going to receive payment. This will help you build trust with your target audience and ensure that they feel confident clicking on your links. Step 6. Promote the product. Now that you have your affiliate link, it is time to commence merchandising the product or service. This ought to be done by using web publication posts, social media, or email marketing. While affiliate marketing and advertising might be a great method to generate passive income, it is not a get-rich-quick plan. To build a target market and effectively sell the product, you'll need to put in some effort. However, affiliate marketing may be a potentially profitable method to make money if you are willing to put in the work. There may be no reason why you can't make as much money as other affiliate marketers do each month. If you love this video and prefer to see extra content material like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. We submit new content from e-commerce to digital advertising and more. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. And if you are geared up to begin affiliate marketing, be sure to test out the links below in the description for greater information. We'll see you in the next video.